Hello folks, this is another exciting episode on how we can anticipate high probability London reversals and how we can take advantage of that. So what you're looking at is EJ for our chart. Quickly, I want to bring your eyes down here. There's a key level, that's a 4 hour. Here value gap. Again, I want to bring your attention to this level there. That is a buy side liquidity. Now from 4 you see price has taken a low, old low, and it has tagged a key level. Where your eye should be at the moment, up there. So we have relative equal highs here. So this is where your eye should gravitate to, and then you see now we have back and forth. So we have a range low to a key level. We are probably targeting the range high. Now with all this that is happening here, I want to bring your attention to last week's price action, because this is where I want us to measure so that I can explain what I intend to explain here. So if you look very clearly here, what we did here last week, we had a move here for our liquidity was taken there. And most of the time now you realize that no liquidity, no trade. I want to see liquidity, I want to see SMT before, then I can take advantage of that pair. So hopefully this is clear. Now when this candle took out Tuesdays, remember we had Monday, Tuesday, then Wednesday, and then Thursday taking out this liquidity here. My eyes now goes to this, all this buy side liquidity. You can even think of this level here. Now how do we get there? This is now the most interesting part. This is a 4 hour chart. We shift to a 15 minutes chart. See that? Good. Now, so this is on Thursday, which has formed the low of the week. And then now we anticipate Friday to continue higher. Remember, we had an holiday. That's why we did not have large moves, right? But from here, you can see this just down close candle that took out this odd low. This one here is our order block. That is our bullish order block. I hope now this one, at least each and every one of you guys understand what is happening here. Now you see there was this move that took out liquidity, went up there, and then started to rally lower. I am not interested with this one because now you see from 4 hour daily, my objective is to go high. So sometimes I don't counter trade, even though some move seems to be so good when you are counter trading, but I don't do that. I want to engage in the move that is in sync with my higher time frame bias, right? So this on Thursday, we have an entry here. Price goes and then does what? Consolidates forever. Now look at this one. Now you see from 4 hour we are going higher. I want you to check out this clearly here. Yep, hope that is clear. Now I want you to consider this move here. What we have there, that is a liquidity sweep. But what do we know? If this was taken, we are probably going lower. But from 4 hour, where is our bias? Higher. So this should not trap you to start thinking of selling. You feel me? Yeah, this is a trap. Enticing sellers to start selling, but from 4 hour you see we are going higher, so avoid that. Now come closer here again. Now I want you to look at this one. So we have a fake move here, but now we have this. This is Thursday, this is Friday. Thursday reversal, Friday continuation higher. You feel me? Good. We had this low taken by this candle into what? Check out this. That's a key level. Yeah, value gap. Right? Now, before I move from here now, I want to zoom in again. This one here. First things first, I want to know, I draw my New York midnight open. Let's lower this one here. So this is the 0, 0, 0, a level. New York midnight open. You see that? All right. Now, if we are anticipating reversal from here because we have liquidity sweep into a key level, then my eyes should go higher. Now from here, I want to target this zone here. Now when this candle is as closed, right? So see, we have a down close candle and then an energetic move up. This is a what? An order block. Okay, so when that candle closes above there, we have also a bullish OB. Hopefully you're following keenly here. Now, before anything, the moment this candle closes above this candle, before you start to engage this market, I want you to do this. Go to your session and then turn the lags algo on. Look at that. What is this? London open. Now when price closes above this, this can be your entry. So all these accumulating buys, all these can be entries, and then boom. So what did I do there? New York midnight open. When I'm going high, I want to see price open lower to take out liquidity, to fill an imbalance, and then expand higher, energetic move higher. It can cause market structure shift or a change in state of delivery, which can be a short high or an order block. You feel me? Then from there, now you have your entry here. This now has confirmed we have what? A London reversal. What do we anticipate during New York? Expansion higher. Watch this. Let me mute this one. Want to take your fib from here to this level here. Amazing. What are you seeing? What is this? Optimal trade what? Entry OTE. So you can study London price, trade what? New York session, or you can take advantage after the confirmations. Avoid the breakouts, fake breakouts. Big counter trading can be very harmful. Just trade with the higher time frame buyers. Look at this one here. So we have liquidity sweep, filling key level, and then price expands higher, causing change in state of delivery there. That's our order block, right? What is the session? London. So we have now, we've confirmed that London has formed what? A reversal. Whatever we expect now during New York is an expansion higher. Did you see that? Good. Now, if you take your entry here, you have your stop loss here. What is this? This is a 2RR trade. Switch, short, you're out. Zero stress. All I'm saying, guys, is you can take advantage of these sessions if you know what you're doing. For a classic buy day, I want to see London form the law of the day. Once London has formed the law of the day, what I anticipate New York to do is a continuation higher. From where a key level, we can use optimal trade entry, that is OTE, to push that price higher to our target. Isn't that amazing, guys? Hopefully you found this insightful. Continue grinding, continue showing up. Until next time, be safe.